Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And to my old followers, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you and welcome back again to my channel. Today I want to share with us this immune system boosting ingredients which boost our immune system naturally, and these are the combination of turmeric, ginger, and we also have lemon and additional of a pinch of black pepper. This ginger turmeric tea is excellent. It is an anti-inflammatory recipe, and I will encourage every one of us to try this tea. It also flushes out toxins from the body. So we'll begin by cutting our ginger into smaller sizes. Make sure you give the recipe a good wash, because I've washed the turmeric and the ginger behind the camera. After washing it, then you can cut it into smaller sizes and then add it to the pot. Turmeric root and lemon ginger can naturally fight infections. It's great for brain activity and can help prevent cancer, among other things. If you cannot access turmeric root in your area, you can also use turmeric powder for this recipe. You will check the description box to see the measurement of all you need for this particular tea. Turmeric is a known antioxidant, also fights cancer and is very good for your immune system. Also, among other things, of course, lemon is loaded in vitamin C. If you have leftover, keep them in the fridge for up to 3 days. They are powerful recipe, and I will encourage each and every one of us to try this recipe. You can take the tea in the morning, first thing in the morning and in the evening. Do this for 2 weeks and see the results. Add 2 cups of warm water. Add a pinch of black pepper. This is the combination. This is how it looks. Then the next thing is to transfer it and bring it to boil for 5 minutes. Now our tea is ready, and the next thing is to strain it. Take a cup of it first thing in the morning and a cup at night before going to bed. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to turn up your notification button. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.